Hey everyone, I am launching a new series called Game Night Buzzer, a DIY one-button timer for board games and card games. Hit the button, your turn ends, the next player's countdown starts. We'll build versions with Raspberry Pi and Arduino using LEDs, LCDs, buttons, speakers, including a build with the Google AIY Voice Kit V1. Because these kits are discontinued for the next 3 months in 2025, September, October, November, I'm giving away 1 kit per month. Please note, you will need a Raspberry Pi 3 for this to work, but I am not including that in this giveaway. Now let's talk about how to enter to win. All right, so you must comment your favorite board game or the board game your family takes way too long to play on game night, or which project you'd like to see on a Raspberry Pi on my channel. You need to comment on an eligible video, okay? This is an eligible video right now. It has to be a landscape video that is launched in the month in September. Step 2, you need to fill out the entry form. The link is right in that eligible video's description. So look in the description, there is a link. The giveaway is US only. I cover standard shipping within the US, no international. Entries are for September only. They don't carry over to the next month. You can enter every month, but once you win, you're not eligible again. So I want 3 different winners. And there's 1 entry per person per month. Leave a comment on an eligible video, fill out the entry form. Entries are open September 1st through the 30th. I will randomly draw a winner. Full official rules are linked in each eligible video's description, including this one. This giveaway is sponsored by me, Caroline Dunn, and not sponsored, endorsed, or administered by YouTube or Google or any of those people. For September, comment which board game or card game your family takes too long to play, or a Raspberry Pi project you'd like to see on this channel. On any of my eligible landscape videos this month, it will be marked in the description. Fill out the entry form. The link is in that video's description. Good luck, and may your game nights be faster and more fun.